Hey guys, what's happening? So I just was bored and I decided to, here's my layout, build something under this giant train. I don't think I showed this off yet, but it's just a simple oval with a steam engine, coal car, another coal car, box car, caboose, and stuff like that. It's got sounds, see? But I did not come here to show off this train. I am videoing to show off this. Well, I'm not really showing off anything. I just wanted to show you guys this. But I used some blocks to extend the track up. And as you can see, the train's running around on it. I got one train car, but I'm gonna extend it to a couple. But it's my BNSF train car. It is the locomotive. I still have the train on the track, by the way. It is the locomotive that I showed off to you here on that train when I showed off this layout, the updated version. But this is about, I'd say, about a foot high. It goes under my layout and extends across the track. And the light used to light up right there. The light, used to light up. But yeah, that's about it. This isn't a long video. It's just I'm just showing this off to y'all. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I can make another one of these, and it'll be over this entire track. Maybe on Friday. But thank you guys so much for watching. See ya.